a 3-minute meditation to recharge your mind. This practice brought to you by Mindful, helping millions of readers and listeners find peace, build focus, tame anxiety, build a future based on kindness and compassion. Before we start practice, please subscribe to the channel and send this gift to someone you think needs or is interested in these practices. Let's take a moment to unplug your mind. The first step to unplugging your mind is to stop everything you're doing. This begins by stopping your body and giving yourself permission to do nothing. Now, imagine that each of your 5 senses is like a door. Close each of these doors and offer yourself the gift of quiet. For a few seconds, let your mind rest. Close your eyes. Stop distracting yourself. Then, see if you can quiet your thoughts by telling your mind, you can rest now. Nowhere to go, nothing to do, and pay attention to your breathing and the sensation of your body without trying to do or changing anything. Say to yourself, the present moment is my true home, and I have arrived. Finally, you recognize everything you need to be happy is already present in the moment. You can feel that your mind is completely at rest. Now you can return to whatever you were doing. And see how different feels after having this practice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.